A single aircraft carrying tons of cargo, flying for hours, and releasing multiple drones mid-air. This is no longer a concept. The Jiutian drone is turning it into reality. Often described as advancing a drone mothership for logistics and swarm deployment, it signals a major shift in aerial systems. In this video, we'll break down how it works, why it matters, and what it could change for the future. The Jiutian represents a clear leap beyond conventional unmanned aircraft by combining size, endurance, and flexibility into one system. Measuring about 16.35 meters long with a wingspan of roughly 25 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of nearly 16 tons, it operates on a scale rarely seen in unmanned aviation. Its payload capacity of up to 6 tons places it close to light cargo aircraft, which is why it is increasingly described as a new type of aerial platform rather than a traditional drone. This aligns with reports describing China advancing a drone mothership concept designed for logistics and coordinated drone deployment, highlighting how the system merges multiple roles into a single design. The way these capabilities are achieved is just as important as the numbers themselves. Instead of relying on propellers, the Jiutian uses a jet engine mounted above the fuselage. This configuration reduces exposure to debris during takeoff and landing, especially in remote or unprepared environments. It also supports smoother maintenance cycles, which is critical for long-duration operations. Combined with a large straight wing and H-tail design, the aircraft is optimized for lift and stability, allowing it to remain airborne for around 12 hours and travel distances approaching 7,000 kilometers, depending on mission conditions. These characteristics show that the system is built for persistence and reach rather than speed alone. Another defining feature is its modular architecture. The Jiutian is designed to adapt to different missions by swapping payloads. It can carry cargo for transport, integrate sensor systems for monitoring, or use specialized compartments to release payloads mid-flight. This flexibility reduces the need for multiple specialized aircraft, allowing one platform to handle a range of tasks efficiently. It also reflects a broader design philosophy where adaptability becomes more valuable than single-purpose optimization. Taken together, these elements demonstrate how the Jiutian is not simply improving existing designs, but creating a new category altogether. The defining feature of the Jiutian is its ability to act as a drone mothership, releasing multiple smaller drones during flight and coordinating their activities. This capability transforms it from a standalone aircraft into a central node within a larger network of systems. Built-in compartments along the fuselage allow for mid-air deployment of secondary drones, enabling coordinated operations across wide areas. This approach reflects the concept of advancing a drone mothership for logistics and swarm deployment, where a single platform becomes the starting point for multiple simultaneous actions. The idea behind this system is rooted in distributed operations. Instead of relying on one aircraft to perform all tasks, multiple drones can spread out and handle different functions at the same time. Some may focus on monitoring environments, others on relaying signals, and others on gathering specific data. The main platform remains at altitude, acting as a coordination hub that connects all these elements. One of the most important advantages of this approach is flexibility. Traditional systems often depend on fixed infrastructure or pre-planned routes, which can limit responsiveness. In contrast, the Jiutian carries its capabilities with it. It can deploy drones exactly where they are needed, adjust operations in real time, and maintain continuous activity without returning to a base. This makes it particularly useful in remote areas where access is limited and adaptability is essential. Scalability is another key factor. A single Jiutian platform can deploy multiple drones, but several platforms can also operate together, creating layered networks of coordination. This allows operations to expand without relying on a single control point. If one part of the system faces limitations, others can adapt and continue functioning. This distributed structure enhances resilience and ensures continuity. This shift from individual platforms to coordinated networks represents a major evolution in aerial systems. It emphasizes collaboration between systems rather than isolated performance. The Jiutian embodies this transition by combining deployment capability, coordination, and endurance into one platform. The emergence of the Jiutian highlights a broader transformation in how aerial operations are designed, particularly in logistics and system integration. With the ability to carry several tons of cargo over long distances, the aircraft can deliver supplies directly to remote or hard-to-reach areas. This reduces reliance on traditional transport routes and enables faster, more flexible distribution. This development is also part of a larger push toward what is often described as the low-altitude economy. This concept includes the creation of dedicated air corridors, advanced traffic management systems, and regulatory frameworks that support widespread use of unmanned aircraft. The involvement of the Civil Aviation Administration of China in inspecting and validating the Jiutian program shows how structured this effort is. It demonstrates that the system is not being developed in isolation, but as part of a coordinated ecosystem designed for large-scale deployment. At the same time, the Jiutian showcases how multiple capabilities can be integrated into a single platform. By combining transport, monitoring, and drone deployment, it reduces the need for separate specialized systems. This consolidation improves efficiency and simplifies operations, allowing missions to be completed with fewer resources. It also enables continuous activity, as the aircraft can perform multiple roles during a single flight without interruption. However, this level of integration also introduces challenges. The effectiveness of such systems depends heavily on reliable communication links that connect all components. Coordinating multiple drones over long distances requires stable data connections, and maintaining those connections becomes a critical factor. Addressing this challenge will be essential for ensuring consistent performance in real-world conditions. What makes this development particularly significant is how it shifts the focus from individual performance to system-wide capability. The Jiutian is valuable not just for what it can do on its own, but for how it enhances the performance of other systems around it. This network-based approach is becoming a defining feature of modern aviation. As these trends continue, they point toward a future where aerial operations rely less on single platforms and more on interconnected systems working together. The Jiutian is not just a technological milestone. It is a clear signal of where the industry is heading next. What makes the Jiutian so important isn't just its size or range, it's the idea behind it. This platform shows how a single aircraft can evolve into a complete system, combining transport, monitoring, and drone deployment in one design. It reflects a shift toward coordination, flexibility, and networked operations. As technology continues to advance, systems like this could redefine how aerial tasks are carried out across many fields. So the real question is, are we entering an era where connected systems replace individual machines? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, spaceinews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.